Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk about SPS 220 presentation, and its content is about nutrients classification, and it's prepared for Sir Muhammad Shafiq Irfan bin Muhammad Kirzari, and it's prepared by me. First of all, I want to talk about nutrients classification introduction. Nutrients are essential substances that the human body requires to function properly, grow and maintain good health. They are obtained primarily through the food we eat and are classified based on the amount the body needs and the roles they play. Nutrients are broadly divided into two main categories, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients, which include carbohydrates, protein, fats, and water, are needed in large amounts and provide the body with energy and the basic building blocks for growth and repair. In contrast, micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals are required in smaller quantities but are vital for regulating various physiology functions, supporting the immune systems and maintaining overall well-being. Understanding the classification of nutrients helps in making informed dietary choices that contributes to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Next is macronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients that the body requires in large amounts to provide energy and support essential bodily functions. They include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and water. Each play a unique and vital role in maintaining health. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which fuels cells, especially the brain and muscles. Proteins are crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting the immune system. Fats provide long-term energy, help absorb fat-soluble vitamin A, D, E, K, insulate the body and protects organs. Water is not an energy source but is considered a macronutrient due to the large quantities needed. It is essential for digestion, temperature regulations, nutrient transport, and waste removal. Next is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the main types of macronutrients and serve as the body's primary source of energy. When consumed, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, a type of sugar, which is used by the body for fuel. Any excess glucose can be stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen or converted into fat for long-term energy storage. Carbohydrates are found in a wide variety of food, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and dairy products. They are generally classified into two types: simple carbohydrate, which are quickly digested and provide rapid energy. For example, sugar, honey, fruit. Next is complex carbohydrates, which take longer to digest and provide sustained energy. For example, whole grains, potatoes, and beans. Next is protein. Protein is a vital macronutrient that plays a key role in building, repairing, and maintaining the tissues of the body. It is made up of smaller units called acid amino, some of which are essential, meaning they must be obtained through the diet because the body cannot produce them. Proteins are involved in many important bodily functions, including the production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies, as well as supporting muscle growth and the immune system. Good sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. For vegetarians and vegans, combining different plant-based protein sources like beans and rice can help ensure all essential amino acids are consumed. Getting enough protein is especially important during periods of growth, health, or intense physical activity. Fats. Fats are an essential macronutrient that provide the body with energy, support cell growth, protect organs, and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Despite their bad reputations, fats are crucial for overall health when consumed in the right types and amounts. First, unsaturated fats, healthy fats, are found in foods like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fish. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. Second, saturated fats, found in butter, cheese, red meat, and other animal products, should be consumed in moderation as excessive intake can raise cholesterol level. Third, trans fats, often found in processed and fried foods, are considered harmful and should be avoided, as they can increase the risk of heart disease. Water. Water is a vital macronutrient that, although it doesn't provide calories or energy, is essential for life and overall health. It makes up a major part of the human body, around 16% in adults, and plays a critical role in nearly every bodily functions. Water helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients and oxygen to cells, removes waste through urine and sweat, aids digestion and cushions joints and organs. Unlike other nutrients, the body cannot store water, so it must be replenished regularly through drinking fluids and consuming water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Dehydration or lack of sufficient water can lead to fatigue, headache, poor concentration, and more serious health issues if prolonged. Drinking adequate amounts of water daily is essential for staying healthy and maintaining physical and mental performance. Next is about micronutrients. Micronutrients are nutrients that the body needs in small amounts, but they are absolutely essential for good health, proper growth, and the prevention of disease. Unlike macronutrients, they do not provide energy, but they play vital roles in almost every biological process. Micronutrients are divided into two main groups. First is vitamins, organic compounds that support immune function, vision, blood clotting, and many metabolic processes. Examples include vitamin C for immunity, vitamin D for bone health, and vitamin B12 for nerve functions and red blood cell formation. Second is mineral. Inorganic elements that help build bones, transmit nerve impulse, and support muscle functions and metabolism. Key minerals include calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic micronutrients that the body needs in small amounts to carry out various vital functions such as energy production, immune support, blood clotting, and maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and bones. Since the body cannot produce most vitamin on its own or only in limited amounts, they must be obtained through food or supplements. Vitamins are grouped into two categories. First, fat-soluble vitamins. They are stored in the body's fat tissues and liver and include vitamin A important for vision, immune function, and skin health, vitamin D for help with calcium absorption and bone health, vitamin E acts as an antioxidant and protects cell, vitamin K essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism. Second is water-soluble vitamins. These are not stored in the body and need to be replenished regularly. Vitamin C support the immune system and help with collagen production and iron absorption. B. Complex vitamin such as B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid, and biotin, which is help with energy production, brain function, and red blood cell formation. Next is minerals. Minerals are essential micronutrients that the body needs in small amounts to stay healthy. They help build strong bones and teeth, support muscle and nerve function, and are involved in many body processes like making hormones and enzymes. First is major minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium are needed in larger amounts. Second is trace minerals like iron, zinc, and iodine are needed in smaller amounts but are just as important. Conclusion. In conclusions, nutrients are essential substances that support the body's growth, energy needs, and overall health. They are broadly classified into macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, fats, and water, which are needed in large amount, and micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, which are required in smaller amounts but equally vital. Each nutrient plays a unique role in maintaining bodily functions, and a balanced diet that includes all types of nutrients is key to good health and disease prevention. Understanding nutrients classification helps us make informed food choices for a healthy lifestyle. Last but not least, thank you very much.